Hey, up. If your AC won't turn on at all, no lights, no fan, nothing. Yeah, that's frustrating, especially in the middle of summer. But don't panic. Most of the time, it's a simple fix. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix an AC that isn't turning on. First, make sure the AC is actually getting power. Check the outlet by plugging in another device like a lamp or phone charger to see if it works. Also, inspect the AC power cord for visible damage and ensure it's fully plugged in. Sometimes the issue isn't the AC at all. It could be the circuit or outlet. Try plugging the AC into a different outlet, preferably on a different circuit. If it powers on there, the original outlet may have tripped or the breaker may have flipped. Check your home's breaker panel. The AC circuit may have tripped, or a fuse may have blown. Flip the breaker off and back on. If it immediately trips again, do not keep trying. This indicates a bigger electrical issue. If the breaker is fine, turn off the AC and unplug it. Leave it unplugged for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow the internal electronics to reset. Then plug it back in and press the power button again. If you're using a remote or wall thermostat, make sure the batteries aren't dead and that it's set to cool mode with the temperature lower than the room. If the AC still won't turn on, the problem may be internal. A blown fuse, faulty capacitor, or damaged control board. Electrical repairs can be dangerous. If you suspect this, it's safest to call a licensed HVAC technician. Some AC units have safety switches that prevent operation if panels aren't properly closed. Make sure all covers are seated correctly. So yeah, an AC not turning on is usually caused by power issues, tripped breakers, faulty remote/thermostat, or internal electrical problems. Try the simple fixes first, and if it persists, call a pro. Hopefully your AC powers back on quickly so your home stays cool.